Well, like we keep telling you, we're a little behind, but here we are, tablescapes for two at my daughter's house.
It's our Valentine's table.
That we should have done already.
Couple weeks ago, at least. But better late than never.
That's right, we got it done.
So we'll start with the beautiful flower arrangement. Mom put that together with all of the flowers from her house. And I love the eucalyptus. Just really sets it all off.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got those little carved out hearts or wooden hearts from the Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree, they were wonderful. I would have bought more, but they only had the one.
Yeah, but they're really pretty.
Yeah.
Fixed that.
If they get any more, I'm going to buy about 3 or 4 of them because I think you could do a lot with them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I already have. Once I seen them, I have all kinds of ideas for next year.
And you know, truthfully, we might even try to buy a case of them because they're not that expensive.
Okay, case. Wow.
And we can go half on the cost.
Yeah, because you could use them for other times of the year, not just Valentine's. So
I think they look pretty to run across, and what I was going to do with them, but because I've been sick, I haven't done it.
Well, don't give your secrets.
Oh, okay, it'll be next year.
Yep. And then there's some little hearts. Well, we have them on our teacup, but I don't even know where I got those because I had them for a while. So we put those on the flower arrangements too. So.
Let's see, they worked in there so well, I can't even see them.
You can't see them. They're just. But they're lacy. They
very
remind me, like Victorian style. And actually, that's, I was telling my mom that's what I was leaning towards before I moved into this house. And I had all kinds of beautiful things. And when we moved here, my husband said, this stuff doesn't really go with this house. So I got rid of so much stuff. And now I'm so mad that I did. Like my dressing table was so gorgeous.
I don't know why you got rid of it.
Yeah, but...
Because I'm going to eventually, not on everything, so I'm not going to get rid of everything I have, but I'm going to try to go, I think, more towards the Victorian in my house. And fix it up.
I
or maybe garden theme or something, because I'm still waiting to see if I can talk my husband into her husband making me or should I not mention that either?
No. You should not. You're giving all of our secrets away.
Okay. We won't.
Anyways, moving along.
We won't mention what Grandma wants.
So here's my cookies that I made. So I got a bunch of clay and just started making cookies. And actually, these were supposed to have like frosting and stuff, but it just ran out of time. And this stuff has been sitting on my table, and I was like, I just gotta let it go. I can't do it anymore. So.
Well, you can always touch it up for next year and repurpose.
Yeah. And then, so these little, it says Kiss Me, and the other one says Love Me. It came from something else, and I just painted a white and stuck it on there. And then I made these little suckers, and they're all made out of clay. So, and then this one was a mold. It's supposed to be like a white chocolate candy. I'm not too pleased with the color. I think the color needs some fixing, but that's okay.
Just next
so anyways, yeah, next year. Do you like my little swirl one?
I do. I love them. They're very pretty.
And that was made by putting different colors together, and as they're mixing, it creates that.
Be great in my fairy garden.
Why would you put that in the fairy garden?
Because they're colorful and pretty.
Oh. Okay. Sure, Mom. All right, so then moving on to my cups, and I just got these like 3 days ago, and I got them for the ridiculous price of 45 cents. Can you believe that? 45 cents for the cup and 45 cents for the saucer. I was like, wow.
Does it say where it was made?
Oh, let me see. Not China.
Everything's China.
Mm-hmm. But I like it. I don't think these are the same though. Oh, they are. But they only had 2 cups, but they had 4 plates. So I just got the 4 plates, and we could use them with some other cups.
But the great thing is we do tablescapes for 2.
That's right, and that's what I went to the thrift store specifically to find is items of 2. So, and I was very lucky. I got some other great deals. but they're not on this table today. So then I found these, well, actually I got this tablecloth from Anna Lee, my good friend, and these napkins from Anna Lee, and I just love them. I'm gonna lay them out so you can see. And I love the colors, pink and red together.
Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, that isn't white, that's pink.
Yeah, pink, and then that's why I got these little plates. And now these plates are plastic, that's okay, because they look, let me see if I can get that glare out. But look at how pretty the pink and the goes with those napkins.
Very pretty.
In person, I think it shows up better.
It matches better.
Yeah, it doesn't show up very well on the camera, but it's so pretty. And I love the swirl in this napkin.
And look at the beautiful plates, the white ones.
Yeah, these ones too are pretty.
I just love these.
And no, we only got 2. Now I'm like, why didn't I get 4?
Well, we can hope you can find them. Where did they come from? What does it say?
Let me see. Oh, it's from Home Goods.
Oh, okay.
$4.99.
I was just trying to see if it said exactly. It came from Turkey.
Oh, Turkey. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Again, you know, just the detail. I love this, how it scallops here.
You know, Turkey makes a lot of really nice pieces for Home Goods. Because I have bought quite a few pieces from them.
Mm-hmm.
And,
well, I really like them. So, and the plastic, I told my mom, you know, it's hard to have all these plates. So if I can just have a little bit of decorative plastic ones to go in, you know, it'll just bring it all together.
and I think it looks nice.
Yeah.
And it's the pink and the white. And the white always it looks good with everything.
Mm-hmm.
And then, of course, we borrowed some. And I don't know if you noticed, there's sort of a heart shape to those the silverware pattern, too. Do you see it, Debbie?
Okay.
Okay.
And then I have my little goblet so we can have our mimosa.
I think I need one.
Yeah. And then our little sugar cubes
Aren't those the cutest things?
for our tea. And then the other side is the same except for we have our teapot.
And this here, as you can see, is one of our beautiful Mackenzie Child wonderful pieces.
Yes.
The black and white check.
And that is the other tea towel that went with the one from the buffet. That's the heart one. But this one is so cute with the bicycle. I just loved it. When I saw it, I was like, oh, I have to have that.
Oh, I do.
And then as soon as you saw it, you're like, oh, I'm so jealous. I love that.
Well, look at all the little hearts around the tires and all the detail.
They're so cute.
I love Home Goods because they have such good quality pieces, and they're really not that expensive. Not for the quality you're getting.
And it looks really well with the black and white teapot, just like it did with pink with the Mackenzie Child's lamp. So
yeah, it just looks so pretty. And I think it looks good in the dining room, having the lamp and having the teapot.
Mm-hmm. And I just the blush colors, just makes it feel, calming, relaxing, romantic. I love it. I probably the thing that I would change is maybe my cookie display. I would like to put it. I'd like to use something else because to me this is like a little cheapy looking compared to everything else. So
oops, I'm sorry, stepped on something.
So I think I should change it.
Well,
what do you think?
I
do have something right over there.
Okay, then let's stop it and you go change it out. Well, what do you think? She brought over this tiered tray. I thought it went beautiful with the flowers. Doesn't it look pretty? The colors match so good. And it's just perfect.
I do think it looks better. But now I see all these other things that need to be done. So, but that's okay. It looks a lot better than that little tray I had.
And this was also from Annalise.
Yes, it's from Annalie. And my mom got one and I got one. So
we have a pair of them, even though we didn't use it in this display.
Yeah, but
we're
gonna use that and a lot of teas coming up.
We're gonna have a whole summer of teas and English teas. And you need to research this. Someone mentioned something about French teas. Is there a difference between English tea and a French tea?
I'm sure there is. Maybe it's just the type of food that you serve.
I don't know.
Crumpets versus croissant.
I don't know. We'll have to research it. Because both of us love doing teas. And I, of course, even when I did only fairy gardens, I always did flower arrangements because I do love that too. So I hope you enjoyed our beautiful tablescape for two. And I thought it turned out pretty nice. Leave us some comments and let us know how you liked it. And of course, if you like the one tray or the tier tray the best.
And if you're not already subscribing, please consider and always give us a thumbs up and some comments. Love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.